What's up, everybody? After a long hiatus, I'm back. Not really that long, but I'm back. My phone had died. It just self-destructed. Had to get a new motherboard, and I do all my filming from my phone. So let's recap real quick what's going on, shall we? First and foremost, the yard. Look at it. We were hot and unbelievably dry. And it's back. It never went dormant. I kept it right on the edge of dormancy. You don't have to water and go nuts and raise your water bill sky high. You just gotta be able to keep it from going totally brown. So my palm tree took off. The hibiscuses are going good. This one spent the winter in the house and it's back. The only downfall is we got some weeds, which we can pull today, no big deal. But look at this, it's still hot. And what saved us was this. This was over the course of 2 days. 2.5 inches of rain. It's supposed to rain again tomorrow. So I'm gonna cut and I'm gonna do my standard side discharge, let it lie for a bit, and bag. We're gonna edge, weed whack, mow, blow. That's what the lawn care nut likes to call a full service mow. Come along with me, won't you? Let me show you something else. See those brown spots? That is dollar spot. Find you a piece. Focus. Focus. All right. See the lesions on the blade? That is fungus. And they're called dollar spot because it's like $half size spots. Happens this time of year when the conditions are right. Nitrogen will push it out, so that's why I'm holding strong. I haven't fertilized in a while, but I fertilize more regularly than he does, so it's manageable. I'm gonna try and keep it from spreading into my yard. And healthy soil and good fertilization and watering practices are your best remedy to combat that. There is also a chemical means that I'll show you in another video. Good God, it's about 800 degrees in the shed. This is a lawn that's not fertilized. And this is the difference between a lawn that's not fertilized and not watered at all and hot and dry conditions versus what you saw in front, which is a lawn that's fertilized regularly. I mean, I do fertilize back here, but not like I do in the front. And it's mowed and watered properly. So that's the stark contrast between the two. All right, so side discharge is on, mulch plug is in. Let me take you around front. Show you what I done did. Got everything weed whacked. Real nice. I like to weed whack first because on the mower, we'll catch all those clippings and spit them into the grass to later be sucked up. Did a quick edge of the bricks with the Ego string trimmer. All right. One pass done over here. We're gonna go this way and then that way over better. This is the real jungle. It's kind of satisfying though to watch the clippings go shooting out of there. Jungle, baby. You're gonna die. Look at that. Holy cow. It's like a darn hayfield. Ah, piss. It ain't got no gas. All right, so the bag is on. We did a edge and blow. Nice tight, tall edges, high and tight. And now we're gonna mow going this way and bag up all those clippings that we scattered nicely with the side discharge. And I edged everything and then filled up my Yeti with water, and the clippings dried out that quick. That's why I like doing this method, because things dry out fast and then they're sucked up by the mower quicker and easier. All right, so we are done with that and everything looks like a freaking carpet. It is hot. I'm gonna cool off, have a couple 2-3 beers and grill. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share. If you got something you want me to cover, leave a comment. Ask me about it. Do something on, even if it's wrong, and we'll see you.